Post-fertilization changes. Post-fertilization changes. In this article, get discuss the formation of seed, and second one is formation of fruits. Formation of seed and formation of fruits. That is the post-fertilization changes in angiospermic plant, means after completion of this process of double fertilization. After completion of process of double fertilization, if you have seen in a typical structure of ovule, these ovule become fertilized. These fertilized ovule get converts into typical seed. Seed means a fertilized ovule are commonly called as seed. These seed will form after fertilization. After fertilization process or during double fertilization process get completes, here diploid zygote and triploid primary endosperm nucleus will form. During these embryo sac containing synergid cells become ruptured. Egg and one male gamete get fused to form diploid zygote. Another male gamete and secondary nucleus will fuse to form triploid primary endosperm nucleus, and remaining antipodal cells is also disorganized at that time, or after fertilization these antipodal cells become disorganized. That's why overall these typical ovule means egg containing body, should be situated at the center of ovary, that is called as ovule. These ovule get converts into seed after fertilization. These complete ovule get converts into seed after fertilization. Means post fertilization changes in angiosperm, these ovule get converts into seed and total ovary get converts into fruit. These ovule containing both parts, that is integuments, outermost protective covering of ovule are commonly called as integuments. It will form seed coat. Outer integument get converts into hard testa and inner integument get converts into soft tegmen, that is integuments get converts into seed coat. Seed coat, it is a part of seed. Seed consists of following parts like seed coat, embryo as well as endosperm. Integument get converts into seed coat. These microbial opening get converts into caruncles. Then diploid zygote get divides and redivides during the process, that is mitosis, to form diploid zygote get divides and redivides during the process, that is called as mitosis, or mitotic cell division can taken during this diploid zygote to form embryo. Diploid zygote divides and redivides during the process, that is called as mitosis, to form embryo. Embryo will form after fertilization. Then triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is TPN, get divides and redivides during the process, of cell division to form endosperm. After fertilization process or completion of fertilization phenomenon, this TPEN divides and redivides during the process, that is mitotic cell division can taken to form endosperm. This endosperm, embryo, seed coat, it is a part of typical structure of seed. Outermost protective covering of seed are commonly called as seed coat. This seed coat will form by outer integument as well as inner integuments. Outer integuments will form by hard testa and inner integuments will form by soft tegmen. That is seed coat, formation of seed coat. Then formation of embryo. Repeated mitotic division can taken by diploid zygote to form embryo. And triploid primary endosperm nucleus, that is TPEN, divides and redivides during the process, that is mitotic cell division can taken to form endosperm. If endosperm become present at the maturity condition of seed, that is called as endospermic seed, and if endosperm become absent at the maturity condition of seed, that is called as non-endospermic seed or X-albuminous seed. These endospermic and non-endospermic, there are two types of seeds on the basis of at the time of maturity condition endosperm, that is the starchy nutritive tissue layer which are found or it is absent. On these basic criteria, seed get classified into two types, endospermic seed and non-endospermic seed. That is the formation of seed. Means total these ovule get converts into seed, means whole ovule get converts into seed, and ovule containing different parts get converts into seed parts like seed coat, embryo as well as endosperm. That is the formation of seed. This seed will form after fertilization, that is called as post-fertilization changes in angiospermic plants. Okay. Then I will discuss the another article that is called as formation of fruit. Ovary, it is a part of carpel. If you have seen in a typical structure of carpel, these carpel consist of three parts: upper knob-like stigma, middle tubular style, and basal swollen fertile part, that is called as ovary. Inside the ovary, number of ovules are situated. After fertilization process, these ovule get converts into seed. That is formation of embryo, formation of endosperm, formation of seed coat. Okay, means whole ovule, complete ovule get converts into seed after fertilization process. This ovary means basal swollen fertile part of carpel are commonly called as ovary. These ovary will develops or ovary get converts into fruit. After fertilization or post-fertilization changes in angiosperm, the whole ovary, complete ovary get converts into fruit. That is the formation of fruit. After fertilization process, these post-fertilization changes can taken, that is whole ovary get converts into fruits. Fruits are of so many types like simple fruit, composite fruit, aggregate fruit. Typical fruit will form after fertilization or post-fertilization changes in angiosperm, like simple, aggregate, composite type of fruit. All of these fruits will form post-fertilization changes in angiosperm or the after fertilization process. That is the formation of fruit and formation of seeds. It is commonly called as post-fertilization changes in angiosperm.